In this short video, I want to show you how anyone can defend themselves from potential threats with this highly effective self-defense aid. By targeting the weak points on the dummy, you can see that the Peace KEYper can be an effective tool to incapacitate or shock an attacker, give you a chance to escape. The pinch grip of the Peace KEYper is executed as such. Thumb hold, place your thumb on the thumb hole, squeeze your fingers around, the base is right there for the grip for striking. The hammer grip for the Peace KEYper. It's just like you would hold a hammer, right there, grip and hold. The Peace grip hold for the Peace KEYper. See it in my hand, making a peace sign, comes right down over the top. Great for striking. And that's with the wings closed, right here with the wings open, coming right here, grabbing those wings. The ice pick grip of the Peace KEYper. Right here, just like you hold an ice pick, closing thumb on top, right there of your hand. The support grip of Peace KEYper. Here, other hand on top. Adding support for power. The Tiger Paw grip for Peace KEYper. Wings open, grab them with the hand, and that middle finger comes right across the top there. First finger, ring finger, grabs the wings. The middle finger comes right down on top there. The Tiger Paw grip.
What is your Peace KEYper?